We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The next one is we want some figgy pudding. Yeah. Hi please, welcome to MellowBites. I'm Varga and I'm Porna. The line is we want some figgy pudding. Yeah. But this year we're not making figgy pudding. We're making Dave's cake. Christmas, every time Mom bakes the treats, but this year we've let her take a break and we're gonna bake the treats. Yeah, it's an awesome feast. Let's get started. We don't want to get messy, so we're wearing our custom aprons. Yeah, like we start baking any cake, we're gonna start with a butter and sugar. Yeah. I have 1/4 cup of butter that is at room temperature. I'm gonna add the 1/4 cup of butter inside. I have 1/3 cup of jaggery. I'm gonna put it inside a bowl. Then we have our electric blender on our side. We're gonna use it to blend the butter and sugar. Yeah, I love to blend it. By the way, this is brown sugar, which is completely healthy. Now that's done, I'm gonna crack in 1 egg. There we go. Do you want to beat it? Yeah, it's my turn. So my eggs, butter, and jaggery have been beaten very well. I've added a cup of wheat flour and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Now we're going to add the wheat flour and the baking soda little by little and slowly. Yes. And then we're going to beat it continuously. Let's start doing it? Yeah. Cake, we boiled the dates and then we made it into a puree like this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna add that in. We're also gonna add this a little by little. Yeah. This time I'm doing it. I think it's blended. Yeah, it is. Now I have some chopped cashews and pistachios. I'm gonna add those in. These make the cake even delicious. Yeah, it does look like the birthday cake. Yeah, if you guys want to try another cake recipe, you can go check that video out. The link is in the description box. If you're a vegetarian, you can try that cake. That's my favorite part. It's time to put the cake in the oven. I just want to eat it right now. It smells so good. Here I have my cupcake tray, which I've greased with some butter. I've already preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I fill my cupcake mold. Yeah, looks good. It's time to place them in. Do you want to place them in? Yeah. I'll open the oven for you. Then you can place them in. Be careful. Yeah. Wait, don't use that hat. Gotta use that. Yeah, there we go. Now let's wait about 30 minutes until it gets ready. Yeah. We're gonna make the frosting for the cupcakes so it makes it even better. Here I have 1/2 cup of peanut butter. This is homemade, that makes the frosting even more healthier. This video is also on our YouTube channel, so if you guys want a healthy peanut butter, you can go and check it out. The link is in the description box. Yeah, it is. So let's add in some. I always eat peanut butter for my breakfast. Yeah, I just like take a big spoon of it, put it in my mouth, but my mom's like said
it gets over so fast, so my mom has to make it a lot of times. Then we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'm just gonna give it a mix.
Kind of looks like Nutella.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna let my brother mix it, and I'm gonna add some jaggery. You're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of jaggery. You can add it up to your sweetness level because some people like it too sweet and some people don't really like it that sweet. I have some milk. I'm gonna add it slowly in while mixing it, and mix it until you get a smooth frosting-like consistency. I'm gonna add a little more milk. Yeah, my brother, look at my brother's mouth. He was eating cocoa powder the whole time. I don't know how he eats that.
Kind of tastes like raw.
Now you're gonna mix it into a smooth frosting-like consistency. Look at these cupcakes.
Looks so good. It smells so good.
I've added lots of milk and a lot of sugar to make it sweet and creamy. I'll leave the exact amount of each ingredient in the description box for you to make it very easily. Look how creamy that is. Look how
It's very healthy and good. By the time we finish the frosting, I think now our cupcakes are ready.
Yeah, it took us a lot of mixing to do this.
Yeah.
So go ahead and turn that off, and we'll get them out. Can I come this side so it'll be easier for me?
You need some help?
Yeah, sure. Can you go get the other oven mitt?
Yeah.
Thanks. So I'm just gonna use both my hands because I don't want to burn myself.
Yeah, it's kind of dangerous.
There we go. I got my cakes out. Cupcakes,
Yeah.
My brother often says "ooh la la" when he says something very special. Close enough. Bag, and I'm gonna fill up the frosting. Here, I'll open it up and then you put it inside, okay?
I'm kind of scared because I never used a frosting bag.
Yeah, you have to get it really deep. So go down and not like that. You have to like kind of get into the bottom.
I'm kind of scared.
You wanna hold it?
Yeah.
I've got my piping bag. This is my first time, so don't tell me that my piping's so bad.
Now don't judge us.
I'm gonna go from the center. And
I just want to lick it.
swirl it all around. So what happened was our piping bag wasn't working that great because it's not of a good quality, I think. It's not, and plus I'm not really advanced at it, so I'm just gonna decorate it. Anyway, the messier it looks, the yummier it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna add some sprinkles.
Yeah, it's a nice magical ingredient that makes it colorful. Are done, but I have one special thing. Guess what? I'm gonna bring a surprise thing. Look, these are tiny things that you put on your cupcakes. They're like Christmas trees. And guess what, Barbara? What's the special? Do you know?
I think we need to wish it.
Yeah, you have to make a wish, and then when you put it on the cupcake, whatever you made a wish, it will come true.
Yeah, I think I need a personal.
Yeah.
Time.
So now time to wish.
delicious.
Yeah, so it's holiday season, buddy, so let's get off our apron.
Take off my apron, baby!
Now it's time to call our mom because I think we're going to give her an advance gift as this is our Christmas present to her. I don't have to struggle anymore to think on what I'm getting her.
So, because I'm so
Yeah, let's call Mom.
Yeah. Mom! 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 Mom!
Yeah,
Hi.
so we made these special cupcakes for
They look
you.
really good.
Just
I
make
think
sure-
you're gonna say.
Yeah.
That's really awesome, isn't it?
Yeah, just make sure you don't have these two because Barb put a special wish into them.
I'm so proud of Poorna and Bhargav because they always try to make tasty, healthy, and
Cute.
perfect. Yeah. Did you have any trouble making this?
No,
I
I think
a little on the
I-
frosting.
Yeah.
The piping bag wasn't working.
Okay. So can I have this?
Yeah, you can.
But I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Yeah,
Give me a bite.
Bargo. Thank you for watching, guys. And you looked at how he had those. So I know you're going to be tempted and try these at your home.
Do you want to say something?
You can't say anything anymore.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, guys.
Yeah, and happy holidays.